Magazine Fjord, and today we have a huge Bitcoin increase, and that's very good news. And so, what I'm going to show you this is how today there was a rise in Ripple. It was so instant from 43 cents to 47, and it was going up and up. It was, it was really nice thing. It was so instant. I was so happy about that. But hey, let's come back and see the Ethereum. So it's kind of also quite a good news because it's actually hit the top and it's going up and up. So now, yeah, it dropped so much. It was around like I had like 7 to 8 euro plus. Now it's dumped a little bit. But guys, let's see what's going on with the Bitcoin. Actually, I bought it around let me see, 44, I think. Yeah, I don't see the order, but it was 44, something like that. And now it hit 40. Yeah, it was 43. So now it's very huge, very nice trade. So I'm very happy about that. So what is happening really, guys? I was thinking like it will be dropping, but now we can see it's definitely not dropping. It's getting really nice tops, and everything is going really well. So it's hard to tell what it will be about later. But now, okay, so that's in euro, and just take a look at Bitcoin USD. So it actually hit 50, almost 55,000 USD dollars. So now it's dropping a little bit, but still, that's a rocket, to the moon. It's just insane. How good is it? And I don't know what to say, but guys, what about this very interesting? So let's go to Doge, Doge USD. It was supposed to be like very nice trade, but it keeps dropping, and that's insane. It keeps dropping and dropping, and actually today there was some like big up, and now it's going down. So that's not what I'm thinking about. Now let's see about top risers, and I'm also very interested in okay, top gainers. Okay, so let's see Yahoo and the Sora Enterprise. Okay, so let's find out, because I'm about to buy some stocks. Okay, so it was dropping and now it's went up. But for example, if you notice, it's going up and then you are here, and then you wait, then it drops, and then okay, so you earned a little bit money. So that's fine. But let's see the Canon. Wow, this is my God. Okay, I'll bookmark this, but Canon is really doing nice thing. And if I would have actually, I think we can buy some stocks because it's really what? So that's called yeah, but it doesn't show me. as availability. Con. Okay. Maybe there is no such availability here. And once there will be, of course, we'll be trying to buy, because that's really nice. That's a nice thing to see. And okay, right. Also, in 5 days, you just keep going up. My God, that's insane. That's really nice thing. And of course, we'll check this out. My God, that there is no such. It's very pity, you know, like cannot buy. Okay. So that this capital.com doesn't have some of the very nice so-called. Okay, so that's blockchain. That really sounds good, but I cannot buy this either. So that's nuts. Okay, my God. Oh my God, this is what I'm talking about, guys. Yes, you can buy this. So let's just buy some. Okay, let's buy like let's buy. Okay, I bought some, and let's. Okay, so the problem, it's always the problem with this so-called difference, the spread, and so previous. Okay, so the bid, the ask 134,137, and let's take a look in this. Okay, let's close some of this. Okay, so now, yeah, we are closing that for sure. So Amaris, yeah, let's get to this one. So instantly we get this minus, oh, just 37 cents now. Oh my God, we're going plus. Okay, but let's see the difference, 58.71. So the spread is like, okay, I think. Okay, guys, for now it's okay. I will turn later, but I think I need to focus on this stock. So stay tuned for more videos and peace out.